All right, y'all. DMW Autos back with another one. Today we have a 2011 Chevrolet Malibu double din and backup camera install. Oh, let's get straight into it. All right, so the first way we're gonna get this radio off is we're gonna unclip the shifter panel. So get up in there. Pop. Let's get this up. Oh, pretty good. All right, so you will need to drop the shifter down to get the whole plate off. So let me do that for you real quick. Okay, so with the shifter, pull it all the way down. Should be able to straight. There you go. Unhook it right there. Good on this side. Be able to straight unhook. Cool. And it'll be a connector back there for the cigarette lighter that you gotta get as well. Let me also take this cover off. Once you get the cigarette lighter unclipped, back there it'll look like this. Push tab, you just straight pushing down. All right, with the shifter piece slid out the way, there's two 8mm screws at the bottom, holding the radio panel in. So we'll need to get those as well. This was already like this with the customer's car, so I'm just looking at this like, wow, did somebody try to tear into it? But yeah, let's get these screws removed at the bottom and keep them moving. Once you get the two 8mm out, everything will start sliding out. Be careful not to break it. They're sensitive. Use your pry tool. If you can, just like that. Get that off. Unhook those connectors. I would leave the passenger side airbag connected though, just because you don't want no air codes coming on. If you try to turn the key on without that, that would definitely throw an air code. So keep it moving. All right, so you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 8mm screws that you gotta remove. One, two. That drops the AC panel. That'll have those connections on the back. You just pull this blue tab to get this one on. That one. This one the same way, just a tab at the top. Let me see. All right. Now for the radio. Oh, I actually think the top gotta come on too. All right, hold on. So we simply just removed the trim at the top. As you can see, little clips like this. There you go. clips like that. That's all it really is. Like that. Now this should go straight up. 2 plugs on the back, antenna adapter, power and sound. Get those unhooked and you got your radio all the way out. All right, now that we got the radio off, let's start running the backup camera wire. It's a little opening right here that goes from there directly under the dash. So if I pull this, where I had it, as you can see, it's sticking out right there. So we pull through. We're gonna run this all the way to the back, so start pulling these parts off and I'll show you the whole route that we'll take to get to the trunk. So through the dash, through the hole, out from the bottom, tuck it behind the carpet. I'm gonna bring it all the way around, through the kick panel, through this side, through this kick panel, back up through it, through the corner of the seat. And for this one, we just went through the bottom of the carpet since it'll be a low mount. So you drop the seat, run it through the back. Under here, drop it all the way under there. Boom. That's how you chase it all the way to the back. So now I have to get the light off to get the signal, and be mounting the camera. Yeah. All right. So to get the camera, the video signal and the power, put a hole through here. This will allow you to get the wire from the back. And I also drilled a hole through here, which will allow me to get to the wire that's through there. So I'll go under the car, connect it together, connect it here, pull it back through, and then connect it to the green wire and black wire for power and ground coming from the backup camera here. I mean, the reverse light here. So once I do that, the camera should be wired up. Alright, so we got our camera mounted, looking real nice and spiffy. Like I said, we came through, brought the actual camera wire through the back, hooked everything up. Now it's time to make the electrical connections. And we got a grommet for this hole too. Don't forget your grommets, man. You do not want your stuff rusting out. Put the grommets on it. All right. So we got our aftermarket antenna adapter, the 40 CR10, backup camera hooked up, everything wired together. Now let's put it back together and see the finishing results. All right, she is all finished. We got radio.
Well, get out Pork Chop on Instagram and show him some love. Show him some love. And say, Pork Chop, you know what? Life is always worth living.
Listen, you want to contact me? There's Black Planet and MySpace. Hit me on there.
Now, you know he don't got his Black Planet. You don't even have your login for those flights.
Beautiful. And that's all she wrote. It's a pretty cool screen too. It tilts forward and backwards. Can rotate it this way. Turn it back. However you want to do it. Change the orientation. Right back to normal. Yeah, man. DMW Autos, get with us.